Australia once declared war on an unusual enemy, and surprisingly, they lost. This is the story of the Great Emu War. In 1932, 20,000 emus invaded Western Australia's wheat fields. The damage was so bad, the government deployed the military. Soldiers arrived with Lewis machine guns, expecting an easy win. But as the guns fired, the birds proved to be mastered. They split into small groups and outran the bullets with incredible speed. The military was outmaneuvered by flightless birds. After weeks of humiliation, the troops finally withdrew. The emus stood their ground and claimed a total victory. Nature 1, Australia 0. Like and subscribe for more weird history.